a career in investment banking, a high-paying lucrative career? Then you must absolutely register for this course. Now, you'll ask me what investment banking is and what is the big deal about this career. Hold on, let me show you investment bankers' salaries. You can see from the numbers that it is a very rewarding career. Sounds interesting, right? But let me tell you one thing. This career is not for people who are looking for 9-to-5 jobs. In fact, investment bankers work for more than 100 hours a week. It is a demanding and challenging career which requires hard work, dedication, and long hours. Coming back to the point, investment banks are totally different from regular commercial banks. Commercial banks are ICICI and HDFC, but investment banks are Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley, and etc. You might not know them as they work for large corporations and institutions. If you are interested in learning more about investment banking, we offer a comprehensive course covering investment banking functions, its structure, and operations. Our course is designed to provide you with knowledge and skills you need to pursue a career in investment banking. Our course covers the following topics: Introduction to Investment Banking, Financial Modeling in Excel, Valuation Techniques, Merger and Acquisition, LBO Models, and much more. Our instructors are having a vast experience of working with investment banking firms. They will share their expertise and insights with you and provide you with practical training and real-world examples. If you are interested in enrolling our investment banking course, please get in touch with us on the following WhatsApp number or follow us on our social media handles to get more information. We look forward to help you achieve your career goals in investment banking.